Okay, first we're going to mix up the dry ingredients. 2 cups of flour, teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of cinnamon, we're going to set that to the side and work on the wet ingredients. 1 cup of sugar, white sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of butter, which is 2 sticks, one and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's 1 and a half. And we're going to mix that together. Mix that together. Next, we're going to add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, little at a time. Next, we're going to add oatmeal. That's 1 cup, 2 cups of oatmeal. We're going to add a cup of chocolate chips, a cup of pecans in pieces. We're going to mix that together. Next, we're going to divide this because in my household, everybody do not like raisins. So I'm going to divide the dough. The dough is divided. Next, we're going to add a 1/2 cup of raisins. Everything is incorporated. We have the one with the raisins. We have the one with just without the raisins. We're going to put both of these in the refrigerator for about 10 to 20 minutes, or it could be longer. It's up to you, but 10 to 20 minutes, just so it can kind of get chill and the butter can kind of come back together solid. And we're going to come back and make the cookies and put them in the oven. Make sure your oven is preheating at 375 degrees. Okay, on a cooking sheet or baking pan, take a ice cream scooper, scoop your cookies, lay them down. You can flatten it with your fingers, or you can keep them just like how the ice cream scooper have it. And we're gonna put a marshmallow, press it right in the middle. Make sure you keep them like a 1/2 inch apart. Mash it with your finger. Add the little marshmallow in the center. Okay, let's put this in the oven for 7 to 10 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. And there you have it. Loaded oatmeal raisin pecan chocolate chip gooey cookies. Now let's take a close look at it. And here's the load. Oh my goodness. Who wants some? You have a glass of milk. Loaded oatmeal cookies. Have you some?